Oh! Go, Dave! Dave! Come, Dave! Good morning, SA travelers. Today we are in Yingxi. Hey, Rain, are you ready to go up the mountain?
Yes.
Okay.
Dave will take me like this. Hold on.
Yes.
Dave, you got me, Dave?
Yes, of course.
Ready and go, Dave. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Faster, faster.
And pause. That was fun. That was fun.
Okay, so now.
But we won't make it. So how are you feeling about this hike? You see, I'm silly with these things. Hello, how do you feel about this hike today, sir?
It's gonna be super slippery.
Hello, lady. What's your name?
My name is
Wifey.
Hello there, sir. What's your name?
Mitchell.
Hello, sir. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
What is your name?
Dave?
Hello there, sir. And what is your name?
You know I'm the cameraman, right?
Ah, what is your name?
Oh, Bruce here.
Now it's my turn to interview Rain. Rain, what do you have to say to us?
Pulse.
What are you doing?
Pulse. Oh. Hey, what's your question, sir?
What do you have to say to us?
What do you
Sit here,
wanna
why are you
know?
sitting over there?
What do you want to
The
know?
interview area is here.
What do you want to know?
Okay, so I heard that you're gonna jump off a cliff, right?
Always, anytime, man, you know.
Okay. So we're gonna see it in our little adventure today.
I've done this before, man. You know, I'm a natural. I'm a natural.
Is that the truth?
Look at my shoes. I mean, I got the right shoes apparently.
Wow, look at those!
Look at this tracking, boy. Money can't buy no tracking like this.
I heard there's gonna be some slippery rocks. Are you afraid of that?
Slippery, schmuppery, man. Look, hey, rocks ain't got nothing on me, boy.
Very cocky there, man.
Yeah, look, hey, you know, if I fall, I fall. This is life, man. You gotta fall.
What if you fall
You
only
gotta
once?
fall in order to stand up again. You know what I mean? If you don't fall, you cannot grow.
That is very inspirational.
grow.
That is very inspirational.
So you have to fall sometimes in life, you know what I mean? To teach you some humility, you know what I mean? And I'm ready. I'm ready.
Yeah, finally we can get started. Here's our leaders.
No, I'm not.
Leaders? Here's our leader.
You know where to go, right?
No, I don't know.
I have no idea. It's my first time.
Really? Who's in the lead?
No, lead.
Okay, I'll lead. I'll lead. Let's wait. Let's go this way. Wow, that's so romantic.
And now I propose to you.
Okay, okay.
Okay, don't tell her. This is the first proposal on SA Travel. Please subscribe.
To the best channel.
This is overcomplicated. Wow, that's easier. I can see it.
Jump!
What else?
Okay, okay.
What do you think? What do you think?
It's here, it's here, it's here.
This is a beautiful ship.
Beautiful shit.
What? Really? Really?
Here, I'm ready. We're gonna do the jump over here. The clean water. Jump!
Where's the crowd? The crowd.
Yeah! Yeah! Stefan! Yeah! What up? Tell him.
What?
You wanna get revenge?
What?
You wanna get revenge?
Revenge? Oh.
What's the plan? You need to tell us because you are the mastermind.
Yeah. What's your plan? But you also can make him wet, yeah? Put him in the water.
We can do both. He's not listening. Don't check, just go. It's just straight down. No, don't go there. Just stand there. Go from there and run and jump.
One here?
No. It's too slippery. It's too slippery. No, go back. From there, run and jump. Just one step and jump. Quickly! You can do it. You can do it.
Oh!
Go, Dave! Dave! Come, Dave! 1, 2, 3, run! Yeah! Well done, Dave! I'm going to make my way up the rocks over here, all the way up, and jump from there. I'm so nervous, but I'm so excited. I'm here. Let's do it. This is the end of this part. We're gonna go on, we're gonna go ahead and see what remains. Let's have a bite to this beautiful pool. They're waiting there at the top. Some ants are biting me. The rest of them are there. Here's the other one. This is one of my favorite places because you can jump from there. As you saw, it is gorgeous to jump from there. Baya laka. Let's go to the other side.
Wie weit dan van der Hoed?
Überragend. Der beste Park definitiv. Durch den Wasserfall.
Hey, ¿cómo está?
It was fun.
累啦。
怎么了？
我觉得这里很漂亮，然后呢，就是可以很放松，就是当你
哈哈。
压力很大的时候，你可以来这里玩一下，放松一下。
好的。
所以
I enjoyed swimming and it was
Oh, awesome! Would you do it again?
of course, I will definitely do it again.
Nalagpasan mo yung ini-expect ko. Awesome. Would you do it again?
Sure, yeah,
For sure. We'll see you next time then.
很开心，今天我们过来了泉州的安溪和南安的交界处，我们今天来溯溪的，很开心，跟小伙伴一起玩。
Ага. Как прошел хайк?
Супер, просто отлично. Мы полазили по горам, поплавали, попрыгали огромных скал, получили массу впечатлений. И это было отлично.
Absolutely.
我喜欢今天的那个 waterfall， 非常漂亮。我下次还会来的哦。拜拜。
Yeah.
今天的徒步很开心，跳水很开心，我们从很高的地方跳了来。
可以来这里试一下，欢迎来中国 ，Welcome to China。
Wonderlijk. Heb je er nog wat genieten?
En Wijsselands vlag?
Natuurlijk.
Azij.
Net
Azij, net viola. Awesome. Ik praat Engels, né?
Oh, je moet Afrikaans praten.
Maar wat is slipperige? Is het
Glad.
slipperig? Gladde. Begin oor asseblief.
Ja, ga net aan. Tot uit edit.
Oké. Die gladde rotsen was een beetje voor mij moeilijk geweest. Victory dance! Bye bye!
See you later. Adios. See you later.
Пока!
See you next time. Cheers. Lekker.